Need to sort your digital surge taxes? In this quick demo, I'll show you how to get accurate digital surge tax reports fast. Hello, my name is Nelly, and in this updated video, I'm going to show you how to do your digital surge taxes with Koinly by importing your transactions, viewing your total gains and losses, and downloading a complete crypto tax report fast. Let's do it. Okay, so DS is one of the top Australian exchanges, best known for its insane amount of cryptocurrencies, over 400, and a fantastic educational resource section to learn more about crypto. But if you're making sweet gains with DS, you gotta pay taxes. So Koinly is your crypto tax calculator that handles everything from trading to staking, DeFis, futures, airdrops, NFTs, and more. The first step is to import your DS trades. So go ahead and log into your Koinly account or create an account fast for free if you don't have one. If you're new to Koinly, start by selecting your country. Koinly will then automatically apply the correct tax settings so you're set up correctly from the start. Head over to the wallets area once you've signed in and click on Add Wallet. Then we're going to find Digital Surge, and there it is. So click on that and you have two different options. You have the Setup Auto Sync and the Import from File. So let's start off with the Setup Auto Sync. So you're going to log in to your Digital Surge account. Okay, so once you've logged into your account, in the top right corner, you have three lines. If you click on that, that opens a drop-down menu. And then from that drop-down menu, we have the API key area. So let's click on that. From here, we want to click on Create a New API Key, and we only want read-only access. Then we'll get a little message about two-factor authentication, so make sure to complete that. And then we want to select generate the API key. And then really it's as straightforward as that. You're going to get the key, simply copy and paste it into Koinly and click Secure Import. Okay, so that's one route you can take. The other one is the import from file. So if we click on that, we'll have a new set of instructions to follow, which is just as straightforward. Going back into Digital Surge, if we click on the three lines, we want to go down now into transaction history. So in the top right corner, we want to make sure to export the transaction history. So let's click on that and then select a time frame that includes all your transactions, your entire transaction history. So from the day you made the account to whatever tax year you're currently working with. For simplicity, I just chose this tax year, and we want to make sure the format selected is CSV, and then we want to click on Export History. So once that file is downloaded, just simply copy and paste it into Koinly and click Import, and there you have it. Alrighty, once your data has been imported, you can head over to the Transactions tab and just double check underneath the hood, make sure everything is sitting correctly with you. If you do have any types of staking, make sure that stuff is tagged correctly. Send to pool, send from pool. We made countless videos on that. Alrighty, so once your data starts importing, regardless of which method you used, you can head over to your transactions page in Koinly and double check that everything is syncing correctly. And if you've done any kind of staking or liquidity providing, then you may need to tag those manually. And I've dropped a bunch of resources down below to help you out. If you've traded on other exchanges and wallets, which you probably have, you're gonna wanna repeat this process and integrate them all. And as you can see, Koinly supports hundreds of crypto platforms, and we upload new integration videos weekly. So now with all your crypto transactions imported into Koinly, Koinly is able to track your crypto portfolio in real time and show you how your year stacks up with a free crypto gain summary. The summary is awesome, but to officially file your taxes, you're gonna need a lot more detail. So now for the best part, Koinly produces a stack of detailed cryptocurrency tax reports for investors around the world. And at tax time, simply download one of Koinly's detailed tax reports, like the Complete Tax Report, ATO, and IRS forms, plus reports for popular tax filing softwares. Our reports include calculations and totals that line up with how the taxman wants it. Simply buy a plan from Koinly and download your crypto tax report. You can then file your taxes yourself or share with an accountant, or invite them to view your Koinly account if they need more detail. Lastly, check your country's tax rules, as a Koinly report may be deductible. I will leave a bunch of resources down below if you need further help with Koinly. And just before we wrap up, a quick disclaimer that this video is not financial advice, so speak to a qualified professional if you need tax advice. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like and subscribing for more crypto content.